are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. 5 quarts of 530 conventional oil, a spin-on oil filter, and a can of MOA engine oil treatment. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. 3/8 ratchet, a 3/8 extension, drain plug wrench, cup type oil filter wrench, small tip screwdriver, funnel, and my drain pan. First, I'm going to be opening up my engine oil filler cap. Putting on my funnel. Now we're going to go underneath the vehicle. I'm going to be removing the oil filler plug. It's located on the back side of the oil pan. Putting on my drain plug. Removing my filter. It's going to be in the front of the oil pan. Putting some oil in my filter. Lubricate the O-ring. Cleaning up the block side. Make sure there's no rubber O-ring stuck on the block. If there is, remove it. Make sure you lubricate your O-ring before you put the new filter on. Tighten them up. Adding in my engine oil. Adding in my MOA. Remove the funnel immediately. Put on your oil filler cap. That way you don't forget to put it on. Make sure it's really tight so it doesn't vibrate loose. Now I'm going to start up the vehicle. I'm starting up my vehicle. Let it run for a little while. Yeah, that should be good enough. Now we can check the oil level. The dipstick is located in the front of the engine. So just pull it out. Wipe it down. Put it back in. Pull it out and check your level. Perfect. Right up to the full. So that's how you replace an engine oil and oil filter. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.